doing? What are you guys doing?
I want to do that to him.
I don't know what he's doing.
Pushing me off.
Oh. Quit whining.
Man, it's getting dark outside.
Yes,
We
it
tried
is.
to go swimming, but I can see the water from over here. Oh, look at that shooting star. Look at that star, Mommy.
Wow, Cooper, look at the stars.
It's a shooting star.
Whoa.
Hurry, make a wish.
Okay.
What do you want to wish for?
Well, I can't tell.
Just be quiet. Be quiet. What did you wish for?